Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to be answering a couple of questions like what is Claude AI, what are its features, its uses and examples, all explained a 2026 beginner's guide. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel and let's get started. So I know you've heard people talk about Claude AI, but you're not sure exactly what it is and what it actually does. So in this beginner's guide, I'll explain what Claude AI is, its features, real uses and examples, and let's get started. So your first question being what exactly is Claude AI? So once you've opened up your Google and simply search Claude AI, you can see here it says Claude is a next gen AI assistant built by Anthropic and trained to be safe, accurate, and secure to help you do your best work. So basically, it's an AI assistant. That's its role and that's how it functions. All right, so moving on, Claude is an advanced AI chatbot. As you can tell, it's advanced because it's meant to be safe and accurate. And it's also designed to understand long documents. So yes, you can actually share your documents. More on that later. You can write and edit content. You can answer complex questions. You can be safer, and it's a bit more safer and more reliable than traditional AI. So there's a bit more trust between you and Claude. All right. So think of Claude as a smart writing and analyst or analysis assistant. Basically, it does everything you need it to do. Now, what are the key features of Claude AI? So, some of the features that actually stand out is it can read very long text files. So you can use this Claude AI, the website here, Claude AI. You can use it to send in long text files and PDFs, and Claude is actually going to be able to interpret, understand, and dish out an output. So it's basically a computer, but it's online. So all you need to do is just drop the file, give it a prompt. You might not know what a prompt is, but a prompt is an instruction you give to an artificial intelligence so it can actually perform a stated task according to what you need it to do. So if you needed the PDF changed or you needed some elements within the PDF altered, you can ask Claude to do that. So you can also summarize articles and reports. So you can get your articles summarized, your reports organized, and it can help you write blogs. So if you're looking to get into the blog business, you can use Claude AI to perform these tasks. It can help you write blogs, it can help you write emails, it can help you with scripts. So some scripts are written using Claude. I'm not going to focus on that too much, but yeah, you can actually get a script for your YouTube channel, your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. You can even use it to write threads on Twitter. You can use it to email Elon Musk if you need to, and the likes. Another thing that Another key feature of Claude AI is it helps with coding and explanations. So yes, you can actually learn programming or coding using artificial intelligence. I believe that's one of the best ways. You can even ask it to explain it to you like you're a 5-year-old. Yes, some artificial intelligence are that equipped with being able to break down complex information and make it into simple data or simple info. So yes, it can help you with coding and it can help you with the explanations for the codes you're writing or you're going to be using. Now, another thing it does is it maintains a natural human-like conversation. So you can actually have a full-fledged conversation with Claude AI. Remember, it was built and trained to be safe, accurate, and secure, and to help you do your best work. So you could get all of that from Claude AI when you just simply click on this link and it just simply opens up in your new tab. All right, so moving on to the next question, what can you actually use Claude AI for? You can use it in writing blog posts, YouTube scripts, as I just said. You can also use it to summarize books and research papers. You can use it for customer support replies. So if you work as a customer support agent, you could use it. If you also work as a freelancer, someone who does virtual assistant jobs, you can use Claude AI to help you curate your CV. You can use it to help you prepare your time, organize your time for your boss or whatever task you're meant to be doing as a virtual assistant. So you can actually make use of Claude AI for this purpose. You can also brainstorm business ideas, and it's also good for studying. So if you're into if you're in college or uni, you could actually use Claude AI to simply understand your topics. All right, so what are the real examples of Claude AI in action? I'm going to be showing you that in a couple of minutes. But once you search for Claude AI, just click on the link here. It's going to open up in a new tab. Once it has opened up, all right, and with Claude AI opened up, you could just go ahead and click and continue with Google. It's going to ask you to sign into your Google account, so you can proceed to sign into your Google account. I'm going to be skipping this process, but I'll show you what comes up next. All right, so all you need to do now is go ahead and click on I agree to Anthrop's consumer terms and user policy. So here's the cool thing we're going to do. Let's go ahead and open up their user policy. So once the user policy opens up, I'm going to be copying a section of it and I'm going to be asking Claude AI to simply summarize it. So let's just go ahead and copy this. Let's copy this. All right, and click on copy, and now simply head back to Claude, accept, and click on continue. All right, guys, so once the Claude AI opens up, just go ahead and use Claude for free. You can go for the pro options, but I'm just going with the free option. So it says here, I'm your AI assistant for brainstorming, creating, and learning. Let's go over and click on I understand. Before we get started, let's just give it my name and click enter. All right, so we can go with coding, learning, writing content, and just click on let's go. You can download it for desktop, but I'll do that later. So just go ahead and click on later here. And then all set. Here are a few ideas. I have my own topic. All right. So now remember we had copied the usage policy from Anthropic. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to ask the Claude to simply summarize it with the main points. All right, so welcome to Claude, and this is what it looks like once you've signed up. So let's go ahead and paste in what we needed. Let's just add it in quotation marks. All right. And now paste in what we had copied, and now tell it summarize in 2 paragraphs. And then hit enter. And then hit enter. So it's going to begin working on what you requested. All right, guys, and once it has summarized it into 2 paragraphs, you'd receive the results here. All right, guys, so that's how you can use Claude. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.